Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. Today's job lead is from the company Machinio. They are hiring a customer experience associate in the United States. This is 100% remote work from home. But they are looking for a customer experience associate to be critical to the growth of their company. You will be managing their software products, existing client support inbox, and being a dedicated point of contact to them. You'll communicate with them via email, phone calls, and screen share meetings to help the clients use the product. You'll collaborate with the operations team and the tech team to help clients and solve any tech issues that they're having. You'll help retain clients, collect payments, and help continuously improve the processes for the clients. Now, they are looking for someone who is great at communicating with people, someone who is open to feedback and coaching, someone who can be detail-oriented, able to learn different systems very quickly, so someone who picks up on things quickly, someone who can stick to deadlines, and someone who can work as a great team member. They do not require any college degree, and best of all, they pay very, very well. Starting salary is $60,000 a year. On top of that, they offer the standard benefit package of medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. They also offer the ability to work from anywhere within the United States. They provide the remote setup for all of their team members, so they provide all the computer equipment for you. Now, one thing to note, if you're interested in this position, they do have their interview process outlined. It says that they have a 2-week turnaround, so they do not waste time. They will be taking applications, setting up interviews very quickly. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.